Hello, I had to start this over. So, this is Tasha Lay, Designs by Tasha Lay. I am in the craft room, and today we're going to do latch and hook, no resin. Today is latch and hook. Let me show you the box. This is the pattern that I'm going to be working on. So, I'm going to be using that. And it comes with your instructions. These are your instructions. It's very easy. It may look complicated, but it's not. You just follow the pattern, and you'll know what colors you're supposed to use because this is the colors. It will tell you on the diagram what your colors are and which way to start your pattern. So what you're going to do, you're going to look at your pattern first. See how your pattern is. I had to redo the video, so I got some done already. And then you're going to look at your template. So you see your template, then you say, okay, so I know on my template I have to start on this side because that's where it's starting. Start point is here. And it tells you, so for these little triangles here, they are green. So I have to use the green. Now the way you do the latch and hook is very easy. You get these right here from the dollar store, or you can get them from the beauty supply store. And it's the same crochet hook that you use when they do the crochet in the hair. You just use that in the same technique. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and follow your pattern. I know where I'm at. So you're just going to take the threads, hold it like this. Take the thread, put it under. So you take one thread, put it in between, put the crochet hook in between. You see how I have it? In between, just like that. So now the threads are divided in two around the latch. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take it, put it inside your mat, inside your template right here. Here's your template. You're going to put it inside, just like that. See how it looks? Just like that. Then you're going to grab the two threads, bring it down. Kind of difficult to do holding it up for the camera. Bring it down, latch it together, and pull it through. So once it latches, you're just going to pull it through and pull it up and pull up your threads. And that's your template. And you're going to follow that till the color changes. And then you'll look to see where your next pattern goes. So we're going around. And you're just going to go that around. And you're going to keep it going till you finish your pattern line. And then you'll move on to the next color that it says you're supposed to use. It may look complicated when you're first getting started, but all the instructions is there. And they give you all the colors. So it's really easy. And it's very therapeutic. And I'm thinking about, well, I guess I am because I'm thinking about it, so I will. I'm going to be renting myself out for arts and crafts. I have a lot of diamond painting, jewelry, and stuff like that. So when people are having like girls' night out or girls' day or something like that, fun day, arts and crafts for kids, you know, you can get in touch with me. We can do some really cool diamond painting. Make some jewelry, or even make some cool resin creep designs. So this is what it looks like as we're getting further and further. You see it's starting to come together as we're getting further and further. So I'm going to show you how it looks when I finish off one section. And that's all you do. The music in the background is DAS, WDAS. I'm old school. I love WDAS. Not really too much for this new music. I don't understand it. And what these young people be listening to, I'm like, oh my God, you need to go in the bedroom. And it's like a whole sex thing. It's like, really? And if you do it and you make a mistake and you put the wrong color or whatever, you can easily just take it out because it's latch and hook. And I used to do this upstairs, sitting outside or just relaxing on the porch. But since I have the cat will tear these threads to pieces because she likes to play. Then I'll be like, give me back my threads. I can't do my project. You done stole my threads. So I have to come down here in the craft room and do it. Which is okay because now I'm not distracted with television either. So, what craft do you like to do and where are you watching from? Tell me where you watching from. What do you like to do? Like, what is your favorite crafts? Or are you like me, just do every craft? And as I said, if you want to count it, you can count it because my pattern says that I should have 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. So I can count this to 21 greens and then I know it's time for me to go to the next line which has green. And then when I get to the purple, then I have to put the purple. And see what I'm saying? Let me hold it up so you can see what I'm saying. So I have 21 green. Then I'm going to go to the next section of green, which is here. But when it gets to here, then I have to start adding the purple in and then go back to the green. So let's see if we have 21. The easiest way to count is to flip it over. Then you can count it better. Let's see and make sure I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. I'm right. So I'm at 21. So now I'll go over here, and over here I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8 greens. You know when you get into the next section because you'll see like I need 8 greens. See how it's 8 greens here? And then it'll go here, and then I'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 purples. Because the colors will tell you, when you're mat, the colors tell you what you need to get. So we got to get the greens. All right, and at the same point, you don't want to go below. Start right next to the line that you just did. Now, some people like to take theirs straight across, do one line, go straight across. I don't really like to do mine like that. I like to go up and up instead of straight across. It's whichever way you like to do. If you do latch and hook, put it in the comments. Do you go straight across your pattern or do you go up and down? Like I go straight up. And that's basically it. Today was a pretty good day in Philly. It was kind of breezy, but it was nice to get outside, get some air. Now, I wanted to show you. You see here where it stopped being green and now it's going into the purple. Now I will add the purple colors to these lines right here because this is your pattern line. And I will fill those in. So now I'm going to go get the purple. So now I'll add how many purples I need. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 purples. So if you count on your pattern, it'll tell you you need four purples. So see how I came up with 4 purples on my pattern here. This is the section that we're working on right here. It says 4 because now I'm at the black. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can count it like that, and that way you don't get yourself confused. See, now you're adding the purple in. See how it's starting to take its shape and it's starting to look like our box over here. This is the section that we're working on right now. This section right here. See, now I have to go back to the green because you see the purple is filled in. Now the next line is green, so I have to do all of these would be green. So that's how you follow your pattern, by the colors that's on the page, and then you look over here and then it'll tell you what colors you need. And when this is finished, you can either just hang it up as just decoration or you can sew it onto a pillow. I'll show you that when I get to that part. Like you can just sew it onto a pillow. So you're just going to keep pulling it through. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking about, renting myself out for the different arts and crafts, and like jewelry making, diamond painting, latch and hook. What else do I do? Resin, crete, resin. Yeah, different things. So all right, now go down to the bottom and I'll finish off this section. See, it's starting to come together. It's starting to look just like this picture here. This is the section that I'm working on. So it's starting to look just like that. So I'm doing it a little different right now. I'm going three across because I know that these three are the same colors. These three rows are the same color. And keep it going. And I'm almost, so you can see. And it's coming along pretty well. And I like to brush the threads out of the way of the line that I'm working on so I don't get them tangled up. And just going to keep it going. See, we're almost getting it done. Eventually, we're going to have to change colors, but not yet. So you just follow your pattern, you latch and hook. So now I'm going to try it from the bottom here. So now at the bottom it says that I need 3 whites. See, it's coming along pretty good. So now I'm going to add the 3 whites that I need down here. Kind of bring it closer. So down here it says I need 3 whites. So I'm going to take 3 whites. But see, these squares, how you get to know that you need the 3 whites is because these squares are clear or nothing in them. And on our guide, the one that has nothing in it is white. So you will go to your whites. And I need 3. 3 whites. So I'm going to go straight across now. All right, so here's my 3 whites. Now it says I have to go back to the green because you see how the color is green now.